we've got a very feisty best friend. Not talking about Yoshi, I'm talking about Fetter.
Yes, Fetter. Fetter is the Mountain America Credit Union Pet of the Week. He's actually, ironically, a Shishito cat. Just kidding.
It's a cat from...
I like
Shishito cat. He is only 5 months old and 4.5 pounds. And cats typically live anywhere from about 15 to 20 years, so lots of good times with Fetter. And cats will typically grow to about 6 to 10 pounds. So he's halfway there, but he's just a cute little kitten who wants to go play. As you can see, he's
looks like
trying to get out of my hands.
I don't want to play.
Yes, go adventure
Maybe this is the play.
True.
That's all there is to it.
That is so true. That is so true.
Are they easy to litter box train in your house when you get the litter box and the cat?
Yes, you know, cats are super smart. They just get that stuff really quickly. So yeah, really easy to train. And you know, his adoption fee is only $125, which he's already been neutered, microchipped, and has his vaccination shots.
Oh, okay. Well, if you want our Shishito cat, call now or go to the Humane Society of Utah. There's the number on the screen, 801-261-2919. Yoshi, thanks.
Thank you.
Very rare, unique cat.
Yes.
All right, here's another cool cat. Max Roth standing by, waiting to go on for another hour.
From one to another, Dan, thank you so much. Hey, we do have some big things we're